Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So my brother has 4 children and several dogs and cats. So game pieces in their house often get lost. So my sister was throwing away these Jenga pieces and I was like, hey, I'm sure I could use them. So I decided to make some pendants out of them. What I did here is I just took one of those picture hanging hooks and I screwed it in there and then I just attached a chain. Very simple. And the idea I had is to actually dip it. Now, this is some black and white that I have left over from another project. This will require using a cup with at least obviously this much of paint, but that's okay because then I can use it for a pour project. And I specifically wanted to dip it as opposed to like, you know, rolling it in paint or anything else. I want to dip it. So for all those people that are like, oh, that's so much paint. Yeah, but it's not like I have to throw it away afterwards. Just think with that. Anyway, so I'm just going to fill this cup up with paint. I think just black, white, blue, and a smidge of yellow. Because I like that gets me green. And then we're going to go ahead and dip it. Then I'm going to hang it to dry because I want that look. There's a little more black. And more white, of course. All right, that's enough. So this is also why I attached the chain and everything already, because then I can just dip it. All right, get in there. I have no idea if this is going to work or not. Sometimes I think I just get the craziest ideas. My mind works in mysterious ways. All right, it's not quite enough to fully submerge it, but that's okay. Awesome. All right, so here's what I'm going to do because there's no way to show you this at this stage. I'm going to hang this and then I'll bring the phone down and I will show you how it looks. All right, so I got a little more white on there than I wanted and not a lot of blue. But overall looks really cool and I can just let it drip back into the cup there. I think I am going to actually attach one more and dip one more. So be right back. All right, I got one more ready. I am going to add a little more blue into here. So hopefully that gets me a bit more blue on this one. And we'll go ahead and dip. And this should also theoretically fully cover it. Yep, that's much better. All right, that was a lot more blue. Let's go ahead and I'll hang this one and show it to you. All right, so this is one side. I love, love, love this side. The other side's maybe a little too much blue, but that's okay. That could be the back. Plus, it is going to keep dripping. So it'll change as it's dripping. So we're going to go ahead and leave these to dry and then we'll come back tomorrow and we'll see how they look. Okay, we're back. These are all dry. They look awesome. I haven't put anything on them to seal them. So here, this is the first one. The one that had a lot of white in it. Both sides. And it did dry with a little like paint nib on the bottom, but I just wiped that off. Here is the second one. Love this side. This side I'm not as thrilled about, but hey, you know, depending on what you're wearing that day. And then of course I did a couple more. So both sides. Ooh, I love that one. Yeah, so super easy, super fun. I will be sealing these with Rust-Oleum Crystal Clear enamel spray. But I'm just really excited about this project. And upcoming, I'm making some magnets out of some more. I I basically just went after the video and I dipped a whole bunch. So some of these will be magnets and the others will be necklaces. So if you have any game pieces lying around that you just don't know what to do with, and you know, maybe lost some of them or whatever, go ahead and make them into some cool jewelry or magnets or other projects. Hope you enjoyed this super simple project. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time.